must be familiar with the word noun. In this video, I am going to talk about what is noun, how can we identify noun in a given sentence, and why is it important to learn noun. If you are a student or a new beginner who have just started English as a second language and who wants to learn noun from very basic level, from very beginner level, I would highly suggest you do watch this video till the end to make the most of this video. So without making further ado, let's get started. Now first question is, what is noun? So we can define noun in a simple words. So what is noun? Noun is a name of person, place, thing, quality, condition and action. So let's understand this definition with the help of some examples like man, woman, Ram, Syam. These are names of person, table, chair, mobile, laptop. These are some names of things, office, town, home, Delhi. These are names of place, illness, happiness. These are names of condition, honesty, dishonesty, bravery. These are names of quality, water, plant, flow, blow, air. These are names of verbs as well as actions. So this is all about noun. Now move to our next question. How can we identify noun in a given sentence? We can recognize nouns in a given sentence by its ending, position and functions in a sentence. So let's learn one by one. First, noun endings. There are certain words ending that shows that a word is a noun. For example, ity, ability, capability, nationality, NESS, happiness, illness, goodness, MENT, appointment, government, HOOD, childhood, youthhood, brotherhood, and ATION, relation and nation. But we should be mindful. This rule cannot be true for words ending of all nouns. For example, the noun spoonful that ends in full. There are some other adjectives like beautiful, careful that end in full. We should be mindful whenever we use this type of words in our sentences. Now, next point is position in a sentence. We can identify noun in a sentence by its position. First point is, noun often comes after a determiner like a, an, the, this, my. For example, this is my pen. Pen is a noun that has come after my. He eats an apple. Apple is a noun that has come after an. This is an aeroplane. An aeroplane is a noun that has come after an. The sun rises in the east. Sun is a noun that has come after the. He is a doctor. Doctor is a noun that has come after a. Now the next point is, noun often comes after one or more adjective. For example, this is a beautiful flower. Flower is a noun that has come after beautiful, that is an adjective. He is a tall man. Man is a noun that has come after tall, that is an also adjective. I have a blue pen. Pen is a noun that has come after blue, that is an adjective. Now the last point is function of a noun in a sentence. Nouns have certain functions in a sentence. For example, noun acts as a subject of a verb. For example, Ram plays a cricket. Here Ram is a subject of a verb play. Second is, noun acts as an object of a verb like she cooks food. Food is a noun that acts as an object of a verb cook. Now third is, a noun acts both as a subject and as a object. For example, Radha speaks good English. Again, we should be mindful. The subject or object in a sentence is not always a noun. It might be a pronoun or a phrase. So this is regarding how we recognize noun in a sentence. Now the last question is, why is it important to learn noun? It is very important to know about noun because without proper understanding of nouns, we cannot express our ideas or communicate ourselves. If we have proper knowledge of nouns, then we can make, speak or write sentences in a proper way. So let's revise quickly what we have learned till now. First, we have understood the definition of a noun, that is, noun is a name of person, place or thing. Next, we have learned three different approaches that we can use in identifying nouns in a given sentence, and in the last we have understood why noun is important to learn in our day-to-day conversation. So I hope you have got it. If you have any doubt or question in your mind, please write your doubt or question in comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for such type of amazing videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing English. Bye bye.